Hello viewers. Today, we'll show you how to generate a stock card quantity report using SQL accounting software. The stock card quantity report works just like the regular stock card, but it only displays quantities without costing or pricing. This helps users focus directly on stock movements such as quantities in and out without worrying about cost details. Let's begin. First, you can filter the report by date, stock group, item, location, batch, or other available criteria. On the right side, you'll see several options to refine your report. Select the options that best fit your reporting needs. You can also use the group by or sort options to organize how your report is displayed. Then, click Apply. You'll see a list with details such as item code. You can also click here to select additional fields to filter or display, for example balance quantity and stock group. If you click on an item, the system will display the transaction breakdown, including purchases, sales, and stock entries. Next, click Preview. In this report, you can easily view all item quantity movements at a glance, including quantity in, quantity out, and balance quantity. And that's it. We've successfully generated a stock card quantity report in SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.